Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change wipers on your BMW 5 Series. First, get into your car and turn the ignition on, then immediately turn it off. Next, push the wiper stalk upwards and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. You will see the wiper blades move to an upright service position, allowing easy access. Before proceeding, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready and a soft towel to protect your windshield. Now that your wipers are in the service position, gently pull each wiper arm away from the windshield. You will find a small release clip or button where the old blade connects to the arm. Press this clip firmly to unlock the blade. Then, slide the old blade downwards or outwards to detach it from the arm. Be sure to carefully lower the empty wiper arm back onto the soft towel to prevent any damage to your windshield. With the old blades removed, it is time to install your new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the hook or adapter on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear an audible click, indicating it is securely locked. Double-check that the blade is fully seated and cannot easily slide off. Repeat this straightforward installation process for the second wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Now, turn your vehicle's ignition back on. To return the wipers to their normal parked position, briefly activate them by pushing the wiper stalk downwards. The blades will sweep once and then settle. Finally, test your new wipers with some washer fluid to ensure they provide clear, streak-free visibility for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.